Is ClickUp a good task management tool? I'm Georgie from GSD Solutions, and I'm going to be talking to you all about ClickUp. My organization has used ClickUp for the last 4 years, and we are ClickUp experts. What we love about ClickUp that when you compare it to other tools that are task management tools similar to like Monday, Airtable, and others is that ClickUp allows you total customizations. So you can look at things in Gantt charts, you can look at them as boards, you can look at them as task lists, and the way you can just add different elements such as PowerPoint slides, you could add Google Docs, you can add images, you can add YouTube videos. It just makes it such a robust area to work. You could also do a lot of documentation. It is super user friendly and scalable. So if you have only a 1-person team or you have a 50 or 500-person team, ClickUp is great for building up as well as decreasing as needed. I've had to do that multiple times as a small business owner where for certain projects we scale up and for certain projects it's just me and maybe 1 or 2 team members. But with ClickUp, we're allowed to have that flexibility and that scale. We could also add guests. So guests have been or clients or contractors, different individuals that are working on short-term projects or having to give reviews and give feedbacks and comments. And it just makes it so easy. You could directly comment on an image, a PDF, or a deliverable that's uploaded. You could have different stages of the project. So when it's, to do, in progress, in review, there's so many ways to customize your ClickUp interface that no matter how small or how large your organization is, ClickUp is where you need to go. If you're interested in trying ClickUp, use our link below to sign up for a free trial so that way you can learn more about the platform, and stay tuned for a few tutorials from GSD on how to use ClickUp for your business to allow it to grow. If you have any specific questions about ClickUp, let us know down below in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.